Guys, I'm making this video on my phone with my phone. I just came out to do a little bit of exercise since I don't have a gym in my hotel. So I decided all of a sudden to go to the viewpoint. So I'm just walking to the viewpoint, guys. So it's lovely. I did it before last time when I was here, and it is lovely. I love it. I'm doing it again, guys. I have like 40 minutes left. Yeah, the road is a little bit dangerous, guys. I don't have my camera. I'm holding my phone. So I'm gonna stop filming until I reach up there, because there's no sidewalk here, guys. You see that? It is not easy. So I have to watch myself first. Yeah, unfortunately there's no sidewalk, guys. Guys, there's a couple of restaurants here. Usually a lot of people coming here because of the view for breakfast or lunch or dinner. Last time when I was walking here, it wasn't any monkeys. I hope there's none. So this is the one. Look at this, guys. This restaurant is lovely with the view. Hello. Hello. Just I want to film. Guys, the view is unbelievable. And there is a hotel. Oh, that's a villa. That's an expensive villa next to it. But look at it, guys. There's two restaurants next to each other. Look at the view, guys. Sorry guys if my camera is shaking, because I don't have my camera. I'm using my phone. Hello. This is the name of this beautiful beach house, or I don't know, restaurant, club, whatever it is. And there's another one next to it. I hope there's no monkeys, guys, because I have at least like 40 more minutes to walk. This is another one, guys. Look at this. That's a Kata Noi, guys, down there. That's a Kata Noi. Right there, down there. A couple of other restaurants here too, with the unbelievable view. Look at this. Look at this view, guys. As I said, I hope there is no monkey. Last time when I was here, no monkey. I hope there is none again. So that's a Karon Noi, guys, down there. And there's a construction going on there. Guys, I love this exercise. Look at it, guys. Unfortunately, I didn't bring my camera, so I hope you guys can deal with this. Yeah, the only worst things about this, guys, it is not safe to walk here. It is not. You see how speedy, like how fast this car's coming? I'm crazy doing this. I'm nuts. Guys, I made it. I made it. Ah, thanks God. There's no dogs. There's no monkeys. So I made it, guys. Last time when I was here, it was raining crazy. But thanks God, this time, nothing. Look at this view, guys. Unbelievable. I walked all the way from Kata. Look at this view, guys. If you go back and check out my videos, there's a Rasta man here. He was showing me a knife. It was crazy. But today is lovely because it's not raining. Look at this view, guys. It is absolutely crazy. It was like 10 kilometers, I guess. But I made it, guys. I made it. Oh, it's lovely.
Have you tried to speak Spanish? I like that. Please teach me some Spanish word. Hello. Just hola. Thank you. Gracias. Gracias. Gracias.
Guys, everybody that you see here is just coming with the tour, with the minivan or whatever. So I'm the only one that walked all the way here, guys. I'm the only one. You see all these minivans here, guys? Not me. I'm a Superman. See, guys? There's a lot of people here. Excuse me.
Okay, one more piece. Okay.
Yeah, I just wanna find out how can I go down there. Okay, got it. Yeah, I'm just walking all the way from Kata. Yeah. No, I'm just walking all the way from Karon Beach to here. So yeah. Okay, guys, I'm done here now. She was telling me I'm sweating a lot. I said, yeah, well, I'm walking all the way from Karon Beach. This is not joke. It's just like, I guess it's like 10 kilometers, I guess. See guys, I'm all the way down there. You see that long, tall buildings? My hotel is exactly next to it. Roughly like, I don't know, 5 minutes walk from that tall building, Karon Beach. Now I'm here. It was a nice journey, man. I love this kind of walk. And the weather is beautiful today. Last time I didn't get the chance to enjoy it because it was raining like crazy. You see that big Buddha right there? Last time I walked all the way there. See right there? That's a big Buddha, guys. I did the same thing. I walked all the way there. So now I'm in, what is that? Viewpoint. Now time to go back, guys. I hope the way that I came safe, I can go back safely too. Oh, it was crazy, guys. Oh, well, one of those best exercise, guys. First of all, you enjoy the nature. Second of all, probably I lost a few pounds. Ah, and thanks God, it wasn't any monkeys or any dogs or anything. Ah. I love this kind of exercise, but it's good to be with somebody all the time. For safety reasons, guys. Always safety comes first. Because here, always there's a monkeys and everything else. So, always, you gotta think about safety first. Oh, everybody looking at me, why this guy's sweating? They don't know what I did. But I don't smell. Absolutely none. Zero such. So you see that, guys? Viewpoint. So this is a viewpoint, guys. See everybody coming with these minivans. But not in my case. So I gotta walk back again, guys. So wish me luck. I hope I go back safely. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Heading back, guys. Heading back. I want to hold a stick or something in my hand in case fucking monkeys or something attack me. So I have something in my hand, but I cannot find anything. I'm heading back. I just arrived here at this restaurant. Look at this view, guys. It's unbelievable. Look at this. Hello. It's okay, I'm just filming. Look at this view, guys. I guess they have downstairs too. Can I go downstairs? Thank you. Look at this, guys. Even you can go downstairs and sit in the big, beautiful balcony. There's few restaurants like that here. It's unbelievable. Wow. Look at this view. So that's a Kata Noi, guys. Already I said that. So this is a beach house. They have a gigantic swimming pool too. And there's some sort of construction going on there too. Wow. It's lovely. Thank you, man. Thank you. Are you from Myanmar? Cheers. Guys, there's a lot of people from Myanmar working here and they're lovely. I never ever saw any person from Myanmar with attitude here. They are extremely friendly. I hope the war and everything is finished because they are very lovely people, man. Very lovely people. Any single person that I come across, they are lovely, friendly, smiling all the time. Yesterday I was talking to one of them and I said, are you getting good pay? Because I heard here in Thailand you don't get good pay here. He said, no, I'm okay. You know, it's better than Myanmar. I said, okay. Very lovely people, man. I love them. No attitude, no complaint. Oh, look at these villas, guys. They have a swimming pool. All of them, they have their own swimming pool. Did you guys see that beach house? Sorry, beach club? Beach house. Beach club. They have a lovely swimming pool. Hey! Some. I don't know what is this. Yeah, this is those beautiful villas here. You see, it's just private. 1, 2, 3, few of them only. So almost I'm there. Glad that I did this, guys. I'm really glad because next 2 days I'm heading to Patong, so I'm not gonna get the chance to come here. So that was lovely, man. Lovely. I love this kind of exercise, especially if you know, if you are with somebody, you feel much better. Especially you never know, because I come across this kind of places that, you know, monkeys and the crazy dogs can chase you or something can happen, man. And I don't recommend to do this, guys. Really, I don't recommend it to anybody. I'm doing stupid things too because it's not safe, guys. There's no sidewalk. You see that? As I said, guys, I really don't recommend this one because there is no sidewalk. So there's no sidewalk. It is not safe. And I'm doing it. I'm stupid. I'm doing it. Seems to me I got used to it, but it is not safe, guys. It is not safe. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video too. If you like it, thumbs up. Cheers, guys. See you in the next video. And I'm sorry I'm doing this with my phone, so it could be shaky, my video, because I'm walking and doing it. So I hope you guys like it. Cheers.